Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my favorite leader. Number 1. My favorite leader is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 2. He was a great scientist. Number 3. He lived a simple and humble life. Number 4. He always had a smile on his face. Number 5. He always encouraged people to dream big. Number 6. He worked hard to make India a better place. Number 7. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work on missile technology. Number 8. He helped make powerful rockets for India. Number 9. He wrote many books to share his knowledge. Number 10. He inspired many young minds. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.